get this chat open. Alright, so I want to make like a base. So, let's get some more room first. What's wrong with this? Come on. Stop glitching out. That's weird. Why can't I move this camera? Oh, I'm in a game. I'm stupid. Alright. First, we need some room. A bigger field. I feel like using the actual field. Alright, let's use the actual field. Alright, first we get create terrain. Alright. Let's use some basic colors. So terrain, paint. Where's paint? Built-in brush, new brush. Paint texture. There we go. Need some color. What texture could I use? Terrain collider. Create layer. Select texture 2D. Alright, let's make some textures real quick. I'm gonna use this good boy. Hey, what's up? Sorry, I didn't realize you're on. I'm trying to build a bigger map. This is probably too big. I didn't want it to be that big. Sheesh. So I want to build like a base area, and I don't want to do like terrain, like having like somebody picking up resources, if that makes sense. So, let me show you. I fixed the gun, the shooting mechanic. So display, so I can move the camera around good now. I can rotate the camera too. So you can right click on one, bring him up to the enemy, and then click on the enemy to have him shoot him. So the bullets hit the wall and disappear. So that's pretty much it for now. I can still move while the enemy's moving. So this is gonna be the new terrain I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna get rid of. Actually, I might use it. Yeah, I could reduce it somewhere. Scale, maybe. I don't think I should mess with that scale. There's a different way I could do it, but I don't know how. Or let's check. Scale. Where is it? Is that scale? Experience buffering. That's not good. Alright, let's scale it down. That's right, but I'll put it at 0. I didn't need to scale that. That's right. I don't want the white to scale. I was saying I was gonna get some colors. Should I try to make some kind of terrain? Something simple maybe? Let's use a small texture. 128 by, well, actually it should have been bigger, bro. Alright. Let's see, where is pencil. I barely ever use this thing. I could have just used Photoshop, but I wanted to use something simpler. Green. Oh yeah. Yeah, it looked weird, but I could slow it down. I think it's too fast. Or I could give the enemies more help to feel like an actual RPG. This feels weird. Where's the zoom button? How do I zoom? Alright, let's just use one plain color for now. Oops. Fill bucket. Can I hear the music I'm playing? It's lo-fi. Lo-fi music. Let's fill this up. Oh gosh, hold on. What are the shortcuts for this thing? How do I change the size of the brush and all of that stuff? This thing is weird. I never actually used this before, by the way. Let's say I'm just figuring out. I usually use Photoshop. Alright, that should be good. Alright, so save that as... Okay. You like it or no? Kind of chill. I guess that's the whole point of lo-fi anyways. Tutorial stuff in Blender. Where did I put this thing? Actually, add a folder for logos. No, not that. Vision board. Nope. Nope. Solar panel. I'm confused. Oh, I know where I put it. In my G file. And then Unity games. Then RTS? Oh. I'm lost. Yeah. I can't remember where I saved, but I think it's F records. Oh yeah, it's right here. So it's in F. I was trying to remember where I put this thing. Unity artists. Images, photos. Alright, let's make a new folder here. New folder. Call it textures. And call this grass. Oh, I want to save it as an actual image, PNG, no alpha. Alright, let's just use that now. So I have to come back here. Where is it? Where's my texture folder? It's supposed to appear here. Oh, actually no. Am I crazy? Scenes, meshes. Alright, let's create a texture folder. And then acting up. RTS. That's strange. I guess the folder isn't really a part of the project. I should probably move it. Alright, so I need to change this to a... Yeah, it's fine, I think. Alright, let's go here and paint texture, create, edit layers, add layer. Nope, create layer first. Create layer with the grass. Double click. So now we have that layer. So I could just paint this on. Let's go and scale this thing. Oops, I meant to do that. Okay, it's the what you call those keys. Let's make this green for now. So I'm gonna make like a rock. Alright, let's do it. Let's make a rock. Oh, should I center these things? Let's center everything in the middle of the screen. So the unit, the walls, the camera, everything except the terrain. And then move it W. It's not really centered, but oh god, how do I reselect? And F. I'm thinking, let's get rid of one of these walls, or all of them actually. Get rid of this one. I'm gonna leave some of these just as obstacles. I need to put them down on the floor though. Walls. Put them down a bit. And then these guys need to go down too. Alright, so I have to rebake everything. So I have to click terrain, navigation, bake. I think that's gonna take a while though. Imagine this whole thing being a walkable area. Let's see if it works. Oh, continue baking. Oh, it's taking a while. I think it's because I make it too big. Oh, it's done. Or is it? I can't tell. Man, it's taking its time. I think I made the map too big. I don't need it to be that big anyway. I should cancel it. Cancel. I need to scale this down somehow. Let's see. Scale X. What? That is strange. Why is it scaling like that? Oh, it's not scaling. I know there's something to it. Alright, I think I know where to go. Terrain, settings area. What do you mean? Like, I could test it right now, but after this thing that I'm doing here, it's to tell the characters where they can walk. So when I select them, they can know where to go. So I have to do this before I play it. But I need to fix the terrain size because it's taking too long. That's a lot of unnecessary space that I won't use anyways. Let's set this back to 1. So I need to set its size from here, I think. I don't know where exactly. Detail distance, resolution, terrain. Oh, here it is. Let's set it something really small. Let's go with 20. 20 200 by 200. Alright, let's zoom out to find it. There she is. Move it back up. Actually, no. Let's keep everything at 0 back. And then bring these stuff back down. Alright. I wanna make sure it's grounded. And they're not really on the floor, so I have to put them down somewhere. Oh, that should be good. Oh, this guy's way too low. Bring him up a little bit. Alright, let's try baking it now again. This guy, I'm trying to remember. I think I have to actually add the thing to him. Hold on. Nav mesh agent. Okay, no, I'll just bake it. Alright, so bake this guy. Make sure it's selected it. Agents, areas, bake. This guy, oh, bake. There you go. See it? So now it's baked. So the blue thing is where they can walk. So I could make them walk all the way there if I want. So now if I play it, and I tell them to go over here, walk over there, and then over there, over here. One thing I need to fix, if he's too far from the enemy and I click to shoot him, he won't shoot because he's too far. So I just set it to just not do anything, because right now it bugs out if I try to do that. And then I have to reselect him again and then move it up. So I have to go in his range. I should print that out though, and then shoot. Alright, and then alright, so now I want to create like a rock. Let's see. And an inventory system too. So that's another problem. How does it work when I'm, let me see. Like, how does it work when you done with the game and you release it? Oh, I'm planning to put it on itch.io, because it's not gonna be something I'm like making money with or anything. Right? It's just a little fun project. Well, it's more like practicing too. So, and I actually make something like good with it. You know itch.io, right? Let me go on a website. Google. Pull this over. I have one game on there right now too. Remember that game I showed you? I need to finish it though. Well, oh well. Like you put games on here like your own stuff, or oh, you see my name. That's the one game I did on here. And I need to put the web version on too. I didn't do that yet. That was the project. I didn't finish it. I mean, I finished the core of the game, but not like the levels and the graphics. If you want, I could show you. It would be a tangent, but alright. Yeah, so now I'm gonna make let's put a rock over there somewhere. And then I'm gonna have a new unit that actually looks for the rock and get stuff from it. So save, then add a rock. I'm gonna make it a circle. Where is it? A sphere, I mean. There. Move it up here. Why is it so? What? Come on. Come on. Alright, I'm gonna put it in the floor a bit. Scale it up. Doesn't have to scale, but oops, didn't mean to do that. Put it down there. So that's a rock. Let's call it a rock. So you get like, what do you get from a rock again? Hold on, I messed up the chat thing. Yeah, you can. My page is CGC Creative. Where is it? Let me show you this. I'm gonna put the link in the thing for you. Hold on. Do I even link stuff in this thing? It's the first game I ever put on here. Guys, was for the game jam. If you can see that right there. Didn't win, obviously. Published. Dang, how do I find the page for this? Oh, I guess that's it right there. Copy. Here. And the team for the game jam was holes. So that's the whole point of it. And there's something I fixed with the camera too, but you probably not notice it. I don't know. Alright, let's get off of that. Alright, so rock. I want the rock to have its own let's do that. Rock resource. What resource you get from rocks again? Carbon? Not really, but create an ad. What should I call a rock resource? Public int resource. Let's call it resource. I don't know. Let's put 10 there. Then share it as a public to has resources or resources. Then set that to true at the beginning. Resources true. I don't know the update method for the rock, or I should. I could do stuff here like change its state. Change state, like change how it looks and stuff like that. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to remember. What do you get from a rock? Metal, I guess. Kind of like going in a cave and searching. Cause that's technically what I wanted for, to build like different areas. I'm trying to think of a game that they do that in. I had a game on there. Let's just call it metal. So you get metal from rock, pretty much. I should make a whole bunch of rocks though. That's easy to do, but. Alright, so I wanna check if the rock has resources, then take resources from the rock. And then I need to change it here. Yeah. If it feels weird writing metal there. Metal less than or equal to 0. Has resources equal false. If that makes sense. Yeah, but depends, right? How deep. I mean, based on Minecraft, it's so deep you are underground. It's mostly metal I needed for, like, to make buildings and stuff like that. So I need the building to have, that's pretty much it for this. Or I could remove it. Yeah, it would be easy to remove it, right? Alright, let's say if has resources. I mean, it's kind of redundant to type this. I could just put it right here. Yeah, I might just do that. Let's say destroy Name object. It's kind of redundant because yeah, this is redundant. Let's get rid of that. It has resources. It removes it from the game anyways. I don't need a start then at this point. Or technically I should use a start. Let's put it back. So metal equals, oh, I could do a random. Yeah, let's do a random. Matf that random where is it? A range. Come on. I'm trying to remember. I think it's random. Okay. That range. Say from 8 to 12. Or I should say base resource value. Base resource value. So I'm gonna make this like, I'm gonna make metal private. Private int metal. There. So base. Whoops, what the heck's that? Base resource. Oh, the reason I'm putting it like that, I could change that number in the program itself. I'll show you what I mean. So I'm saying minus, I guess 2, and then copy this and say plus 2. So it's gonna be off by 2 each time, or plus 2. Oh no, you're good. It's alright. See you, man. I wasn't even planning to have a lot of people watch. I'm just doing it to record it mostly, so I could like probably make a shorter video using the same video, if that makes sense, like a summary. That's the main plan, but I'm just streaming because I'm bored. Alright, let's see. Oh, but that's that for the rock. So you next time I stream, you'll see what I do with the rock. So I'm gonna make a new unit. Call him. Let's copy this guy. Paste. Rename him to resource gather or something like that. So you control him just the same as a unit, but he does. I'm gonna change his code. Where is it? His unit code. I'm gonna make a duplicate of that and call it resource gather. Alright, a resource gatherer unit. Rename this again. Unit. I just realized I typed something stupid. Gather. Come on. Do I copy a script? Oh, I could just save it as a new script. Save asset script in it. New. Can I rename this thing? Save all. Oh, I need to do it from here. Alright, so I need to make a enumerator unit. Here it is. These are unit types. I had it set already. New driver. Alright, let's call this one resource getter. Resource gather. Oops. Gather. I think I need to rename this guy to fighter unit. Save all. Fighter. Actually, solid fighter. Where is it? How do I make a Inium? Should just do that here. Public name unit type. Put these boys in here. All right. So where's that unit? Unit type. Unit type. Unit type dot fighter. Perfection. All right, so this is what I'm gonna change in the beginning. So I need to have this serializable. Serialize field. I no longer hide it. Get rid of this. And states. The location. All right, let's do this. Unit type. If unit type dot fighter equal unit type the resource gather. I know I need to make it different. Alright, let's make a new class, then copy stuff from this one. It's gonna be hard to keep that in one. Resource gather, add component, resource, come on, resource, gather. I'm gonna copy stuff from this class to that. Remove that. Should change its color too, just to help. Something random. Okay, let's just copy this whole class. Copy. What are you talking about? Oh, I know what it is. It's a changes to resource gatherer. There you go. Save. I need to get rid of this thing. Doesn't make sense using it anymore. Could change this to state. And there's the states right here. The cleaning. This would be called gathering. Gathering. Oops. I'm wondering if I should allow them to fight too, but they'll probably be weaker. Move that. Move that. And remove this. Call this state. To do this again over on the other side. State. Format document. Oh, I was wondering what the heck that was. State equals standby. I need to change that to There's an object. Oops. Where is it? Oh, can't use that. Resource. Resource. Well, once. What was this about? I don't remember this. Oh, I better do all of that over here too. Oh. Okay, resource. Resource. Why is it buggy? I did all this. Current state. I'll rename this thing. Why not? This dude. What? This space cannot be. Uh-oh. Oh, that's what that is. Oh, this is... I don't have a projectile for this guy. So this... Alright. Max resource. Go 20, I guess. Public int. Our max inventory, sir. Inventory. Inventory. Actually, hide an inspector. spell that wrong? Guys, of course I put 2 T's there. Jeez Louise. Oh. Alright, I need to do 2 things here. Let's write them out. So remove resource from location over time. While space available in inventory. Alright, so that's what I want to do right there. So where's that time thing? This part. Attack target. It's pretty much this thing I'm doing here. Get rid of this. Target component. Oh my gosh, why does that happen? Get. Where is that target? I'm confused. Did I delete it? Yep, I did. Actually, no. I just call it resource. Okay, resource. Fine. Resource. Hit component. I got a lot of rewrite working to do here. Let's call it rock. I know that's a dumb thing, dumb name. I need to reprogram that whole class. Then get, what's its value? Metal. Decrement by 1. Then my inventory increment by 1. Oops. Increment by 1. So it does this over time. Well, it's metal. It's metal inaccessible value. Right. Public. And then hide it in the inspector. Oh, I need to do a lot of checks right there, isn't it? In it. Alright, so if attack timer less than equal should I hold on, fire at target? Where do I call this? Are you kidding me? It's kind of the same, isn't it? Float distance, resource. Attack range has to be really close. Attack range 0.12. Why is that bugged? Oh, what if that doesn't end in the first place? Speed should not be int either. Damage, yeah, sure. Let's say sure. Okay, if this one's some progress is less than that range or equals. Okay. It should be called an update. Oh, okay, I did that once. Should do this an update. If state state equals gather, sure. Then fire a target. It's a weird name, but I just call it gather resources or something. Is there resources? All right. Yeah. If resource not equal none, state. Oh, if it's equal none, it goes standby. Something about this. Okay, yes, that's good. Talk time, we could that. Send target. Talk timer. Where am I doing the attack timer update? Okay, I'm stupid. It's right there. Okay. Let's not equal to 0. I need to reset that again. Attack timer equal attack time. And I need it to be a lot slower. Okay, that should be good. Our attack time is way too fast. At 1 second. Save. Alright, let's go to player controller. If enemy unit if hit point collide attack equal blah 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 and struggle with knowing other languages. And unit dot type unit type, don't tell me that's private, equals I wish there was a way to unit about unit. There must be a way to get access to that without have to type the whole thing out. Whatever, I'll do it. How about that? Just copy it. Then it says inaccessible. Oh, I could have done that. Unit type instead. Can I reference type through? Huh. Fine. That works. That is cool. Oh. Erpty derpty. I was like thinking about how it must be a better way to do that. Fighter, sorry. If unit. Oh god, I have to type this whole thing out now. I thought I just dodged it. I mean, I'm not typing it. I mean, it looks tacky. There. Let's bring this down. Alright, let's copy this. Put this here. Else. Type resource and unit type equals gatherer. I mean resource gatherer. Then I mean it's kind of dumb, isn't it? The thing is, I don't want it to attack an enemy unit. Go get a resource from my enemy unit. So that's why I wrote it like that. And if I need to add more, I have to do the same thing over again. So, yay. Alright, so save all. And name this resource. New tag. Resource. Oh, don't just save that. Alright, let's see what happens. Save. Let's give him a different color. This bad boy. Materials. Enemy unit. Rename this to fighter unit material. The fact that I'm doing all this work on placeholder stuff. Let's give him an odd color. Green? No, not green. Yellow maybe. Or weird beige. Don't care really. It's not important. Gather unit map. There you go. Save. Play. Oops, I did a mess up. Setup. Oh, I have to get rid of this whole thing. For now. I have to copy some stuff from here. Rename this to state. Copy these. change this back to a float. This back to a float. And public unit type upstage. Don't have a unit type anymore since you have it separate. State. Get rid of current state. Get rid of setup. And that thing right there. Then state is done by state. Lot of reprogramming. I don't need this anymore either. Oh, that's what I did. I did something stupid, I know. Then state. Why do I have this? Oh, points. Come on. I don't need that, but just realized that's something I was experimenting with. Standby. State. Where am I calling this? Fire at target. Something is bothering me about this. If I'm not calling it here, am I calling it here? Oh. Okay, I need to have that everywhere. I'm so. Copy. I have to put that here. Wait. Oh. This is not good. Trying to figure something out, man. This is not. Oh. So this is the difference. So I definitely need a type thing here. Have to make it back. Okay. Unit. Type. Why do I have these? Do not need numbers. Migio. Oh, crazy. Alright, fighter. Together. There. Just to put this back. I'm gonna be writing this twice. I don't know why. I'll close something. Let's gather. Are we unit type here? Nope. Here we go. I'm doing something very messed up here. I don't know what it is. I haven't opened that. I have so much of those open. Just tug and a resource gather. Struggles. Jeez. Should I just get rid of this? It's annoying. I don't need it anyways. Don't print anything. Did I get rid of it here? No. Oh, actually I fixed it here. Jeez Louise. Alright, just copy. There, fine. Print state. Don't need it, but source getter should be saying gathering resources. I should let it print though. Print this something out here. Let's see. Wait a minute. It's gather resources. If resource not equal null or inventory is full, greater than or equal to max inventory. See, well, alright, I don't know if this is gonna work, but there's something still wrong with the play controller. How can I fix this part? Problem is, get component. I need a method to put here. I'm thinking. Oh. There. Not sure if this is gonna work. If is resource, then say gather resource gather. There you go. And then same thing here. tape. Get rid of that. Oops. Unit. No. What if the component isn't? Ah, shoot. I know I'm gonna mess something up here. I'm gonna fix this, but for now, I wanna see if this works. Save all. Run. What's the problem now? Unit state does not contain definition gathering. What do you mean? Oh, attacking. I'm bad. That was a mistake. Amigos. I just copy and pasted. Forgot they're different. Okay. Move over here. Click on them. What? Play control update. That's it. What? Oh, shoot. Damn. You see, this is gonna be a problem. Can I give it the units different tags? Alright, yeah, I'll just do that. Oh boy. Okay, the moving on too. God dang. I know there's an easier way to do all this mess. I didn't mean to do that. Oh, here it goes. Observe. Oh. Resource. Projectile. Why do I have a projectile? Alright, I'll get rid of that. No projectiles needed. Save. State standby. No mesh agent, none. There you go. Damage. Max inventory 20. It's a 2D number. Why do I have that? Let's make sure he's a original. What? Sheesh. Color tag unit. It's not. Why is that getting hit? Is it? Ah, don't tell me I didn't change it. Oh damn, I didn't change it. My bad. Where is it? I didn't add that tag? I'm pretty sure I did. Gather underscore unit. That is weird. Why I keep using two? Oops. Move that. Gather unit. Gatherer unit. Ugh. Weird naming convention. Gather unit. Double check if that's how I spelled it over here. Gather unit. Yep. Yes. Please stop bugging. Oh my god. What did I do now? Okay. Let's try this now. The camera don't even want to look at him. Controller update. Null reference exception. I did not press on it. Oh, I'm still. That's me right clicking. Or let's say if unit is null. Unit equal null. Return. How about that? Just don't deal with the problem. Avoid the problem. Save. Clear that. Run an event. Well, everything doesn't work now. I mean, I can still move the camera. Ugh, what did I mess up? Mouse 1 is right. Mouse 1. 0 is left. So this is me selecting a unit. If recall said if collider object and do all this stuff. Let's try running again and just don't mess with this guy first. See if the other guys are fine. Nope, they're not. Oh, what did I do? I broke everything. Where? Hold on, let me double check. What's going on, man? Where is it? Oops, on the wrong thing. Rather have gather here. Resource gather. Man. Wow. I didn't see that. Jeez. I wonder where else I put that. Man, one simple letter. Let me see if it fixes it anyways. Come on. Hold on. Alright, that doesn't work. Wait, is the tag messed up? Why is the tag disappearing? See, the tag is gone. I keep writing the tag here and it disappears. Don't know why. Where is the tag? Alright, let's deselect everyone. Yep, the tag is gone. Alright, create the tag. I don't know why that happens. Gather. Oops, can't spell. Gather unit. Alright. Now I'll try this again. Name it a gather unit. Override it, since probably that's not a problem too. Thanks, man. Let me see if this works. Everything was fine until I started making the resource gather unit. If that makes any. Yep, still doesn't work. So my camera works. So this is supposed to be a rock. This round thing here. It's all alpha stuff, just making stuff work. I can rotate this way. Oh man, everything was working before I started messing with this guy. Alright, let's comment out some stuff. Let's go show you what I'm talking about. Alright, resource. Did I name it the resource? Let's double check that. So this is a resource. Okay, that's fine. What I needed to do is make one class for unit and then have everything in the same class. Cause I made a separate class for a separate unit for different units. So I have a resource gatherer unit, but it's pretty much the same thing. What I could change it to is have, let me see, this thing here. Could put this as a different. Let's try that. Let's go to this. Let's copy this whole thing. I have a habit of copy pasting stuff. It's a bad habit. Alright. Then trying to figure out how I want to do it though. See? That's a dumb idea. Inventory, max inventory. Yeah, it's a dumb idea. Never mind. I need to figure that out. Let's put it back over here. Save. Hold on a second. I'm getting a brain freeze. Save all. There's a controller I need to fix. I think it's a controller. Alright, let's see. Check it from the top. So in the update, get input. Oh, these all work here. So this mouse down. So I use the right mouse button to select. So I say if unit equals null, return, which is stupid because I don't have a unit selected yet, so it's always null. Maybe that's why that wasn't working. Then I send an array out from the mouse position and then put it in the array class here. Check if what it hits. If it hits a unit, right, then I set it as this unit. So I have a reference to the unit now. Then I set it to waiting for command. Then I tell the controller to follow the target. So it's the camera. I make the camera move towards it and stick with it. Then if it's a getter unit, then I do the same thing, which is kind of unnecessary. I could have used. Oh man. Okay, so that should be fine. There's nothing weird about this part. I go down. This is debugging right now. So left click is where it gets weird. Mouse button down 0, it's left click. So you say target ray, blah 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 blah. So I'm telling it to hit where I want him to go now. So the target, put it at the hit point. If the unit is not null. Actually, this is where I should have put the null thing. Hey, let's do that. So if a unit is null, then return. If unit equals null. Sorry, I'm writing it backwards. If unit equals null, return. Oops. Alright. So attack target. If the tag is an enemy unit, get component, attack target, and that game object. The hit point game object. Else if the unit is a resource, else the tag is a resource, which would be the rock, it should I see what I did here, because I have it. Actually no, gather resources. Oh no, it's right, it's fine. Alright, let's fix it. That's good. So attack target should attack the game object, which is technically a rock. Should I change this to get resources or something like that? Say less confusing. Yeah, sure. Get resources or gather. Nah, that's a get resources. I have to change it over here too. Copy here. Alright. Save all. See again. If unit tag equal unit. So this part is to move the character now. Move the unit. If it's a regular unit, I want it to just move. Same thing with this one, so just move. I feel like I could make this one class So I don't have to be doing double type and stuff, but I'll figure it out. And then follow target, blah 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 blah. I have that here. If unit not equal now. Alright, so save all. See if it crashes again. Run. Okay, nothing weird yet. Click. Oh look, it works. Move it over there. I could tell him to shoot this guy. It's not shooting him. Okay. It's not shooting him. It's another problem. Oh, I know what I did. Stupid. Right. Let's see his attack radius. Range, I mean. Attack range. Why is it set to 0? Let's put it at 4. Let's go back to the game and see what happens. Nope, still not working. Oh, go ahead and select him. Nope, still not working. Okay, it's on standby, waiting on command. Oh, it says attacking enemy, but technically he isn't. Alright, let's check out the resource gatherer. This bad boy. Resource unit waiting on command, gathering resources. But you should go closer. I need to print out like how much it's gathering. Or show a printout, readout. Alright, let's see. Let's stop it. Plus I need to fix that. Oh, I did something stupid, I think. I'm pretty sure I did. Pretty sure I did something stupid. Hold on. I'm pretty sure I messed something up with the code. Fire at target. Okay, I didn't. It's not printing out this thing. Attack time less than 0. Fire at target should be getting called somewhere. Yeah, I messed this thing up here. If it's oh, it should be right here, I think. Our if state equals d dot attacking. Then it should be done. Oops. Attack target. Why does that not work? Oh, fire at target. Mistake. Oops. Fire at target. If enemy equal no, distance from it's 2 problems. I need this to be first. So cut, put this up here. So I need to, if enemy equal null or distance, where is it? Or distance from target. Didn't I say I was gonna get rid of this? Distance from some target greater than attack range. state standby and then return. Okay. That's fine. The attack target. Alright, let's see if this fixes it. Move him up to here. Why is attack range at 0? 5. There you go. And those should get deleted in the background or somewhere. Don't remember where, but alright, let's move this guy down here. So I could use these guys to protect the resource gatherers. Grab this guy, move him over here. Man. Alright. Okay, this good. Alright, let's stop this first. I don't know why attack range keep changing. I need it to be the same for both of them. Oops. Attack range ease. What that for? This guy's attack range should be about 2. Oh, I need to print out his let's do that. Let's print out his resources. His what do you call it? His resources. Where is it? Inventory, sorry. Inventory count. There's update. Alright. Debug. Alright, if state equals state dot gathering debug log then inventory. I'm thinking plus target dot name gathering rocks. It's probably gonna say that. Or I could just add the S to it. Gathering wait, what's up with this? Oh, it's resource, not target. Sorry. Resource. Close it off. Save again, cause I'm crazy. And then run. Don't tell me my music stopped. No. Oh, it's asking me if I'm still here. Oh. Play it. Alright, let's go right here. See if it does it. Together in 0 rocks. Okay. It's not working. What is that? What am I hearing? I don't know. Don't care. Gathering 0 rocks. Okay, there's 2 problems. Didn't I put a space? Oh, use space right here. Alright, let's fix that problem. State equals standby. And branch. Okay, I did things. Oh. Stay equal gathering. What? Why do I have this twice? I'm dumb. Where do I change the state? I see myself my own programming questions. Oh well. Are you kidding me? Where is it? No. Oh gosh, oh god. I said attack target. Where did I put that? Oh. I see what I did. I did, but I didn't change it to gathering resources here. State equals state dot gathering resources. Gathering. It looked like I did change it somewhere, but I don't know where. Oh. What's wrong with me? I just did it there. The code is a mess. Alright. So this is what I call from play controller. Let's do that real quick. Star sign. Oops. Alright. So now it should. What? Doesn't say it? No. R2 tooltip? No. Name and rule violation. These words must begin with uppercase characters. So potential fixtures. Alt enter or Control plus. Huh. Did not know that. I'm violating people's problems. So is this a violation too? Sure, change it. Oh. Going off on a tangent again. Why doesn't this work? Or it's not gonna work from here probably. Whoops. Oh no. I'm messing up everything, aren't I? Yep, air controller messed up everything. Fine. Where else? Command. Oh dang, that is so annoying. I have to do this twice every time. You know what? Before I get too far, I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna use one class for every unit. It's gonna be a lot of code, but it's better than changing this twice every time. I mean, I could copy and paste stuff anyway, so and it's only programmer side, so people won't see it. I guess that's how you can cheat a game. Like other characters have reserve space. I mean, that's how you can glitch a game, I'm trying to say. Let's see. Gathering. Gather resources. Okay, let's F mage stocked, show resource truck. Inventory. So this is supposed to always be running. I didn't even check if the rock was null. Or I did. Oh yeah, I did. Right up top. Save. Or is it, did it just call once? Now let's put this outside of cut this there. Alright, let's try this again. Come on. What did I break? What? Oh. I'm sorry. Where else did I break something? Alright. Clear. Run. Gathering 0 rocks. Okay, we have a problem. This isn't increasing. If attack timer less than 0, attack timer equals this is oh. I feel like I'm counterproductive with this. Why am I writing that? In a sun, need to ascertain. Let's go script inspector. What? The script is right here. Resource. Oh. Yep, I know what I did. I think. Let's go to player controller. Just get it in there. And down further. If hit point, tag resource. Oh, it's not wrong. Let's see if I clicked on it. Debug log. Clicked on hit point the collider name. Oops. That's kind of stupid. I should put it up here. Alright, let's put it up there. Good. If equal, no return. So put it right here. Save. Oh, if unit, no. Okay, so if I'm not clicked on somebody. Alright, clicked on rock. So that works. Let's click that again. Here. Clicked on wall 4. Got it. Clicked on terrain. Clicked on unit 1. Yep. Object not set instance of object. Blah 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 blah. Fine. He's not supposed to be fighting them anyways. Alright. See, it gets set. I think I should take a break now. Yeah, I'm gonna take a break. Alright, guys. Oh, man. I didn't know you were still here. I'm off to sleep. Alright, man. See you. Yeah, I'm getting brain freeze right now. I'm wondering why it's not adding up. At this part here. Hey, if you're not subscribed, hit sub, man. Cause I'm gonna be on tomorrow. Probably tomorrow evening, maybe. Man, I want to sleep myself. I'm stretching. Let's see. Let's get this dude to shoot him again, and then I'll jump off. So that works fine. Stray bullet. Over here. If I click here, it goes around. Alright, man. Alright, see you. I'm gonna end the stream. Nope. Bye.